Oh, what are you doing? Don't you believe what day is it? Today is Friday. Oh, that means we're at school. No. Oh, not again. Yeah, no, school. I hate school. Me too. Me three. Me one. Me two. Me three. Me four. Well, we have to go to school. Come on, guys, let's go. That means we're at school. Are you seriously, man? I don't like school. Me too. It's only for blind. Don't call me. I don't like school. Me too. Me three. Me four. Oh well, let's go in, guys. Oh, we're at school. Well, anyway, where's the teacher? God damn, where's the teacher? And oh! I keep saying that. What is he making? Hello. No, not the teacher. We'll got you, the teacher. Hello. Hello. Welcome back to the school. Cameras. Yes. You guys are silly. What did you say? Okay, you're silly. Like detection. Aww. Wait, I'll blob you off. How dare you? Oh, that's so funny. Okay. Guys, look. You lost his voice. It's not funny. Stop it. Not you, Lol. Not you. Listen. Lol, this is so funny. I agree. No, it isn't. It's okay, teacher. Don't listen to those. You're gonna hit. I'm gonna hit this guy. Oh, it hurts. Oh, I fall. Are you okay? Yeah, you okay? Why did you do that? Yeah, We'll fall. Oh, poor him. You don't hit him like that. What do you think it is? Oh, yeah, because he's sad. No, I don't. Not you. Okay, Jesus Christ, man. What did you say? I said nothing, okay? Alright. I will today. How dare you? How dare you beat up Jake? Now he's crying because of you. Get out of my class. Okay, whatever. Oh, great, he's gone. Don't worry, he's gone now. Let's sit down. Lolly, so mean. I agree. Okay. You can now go back, go have some fun. Have fun, guys. Okay. Tell me what this is. Okay, class. Tell me what emoji is. Like you are going, Jake. Happy. Well done. I was correct. Okay. Can you tell me what food it is? Yes. It's a tomato. Well done. Alright, next one. Cat Christmas? It's a pear. Well done. Next one. What food it is? Yeah. Pizza. Well done. Okay, can you tell me what it is? Yes. It's a choppy. What did you say? You said not Trump. It's you don't like Trump. You are so naughty. How dare you? Get out of my class. You did it wrong. Haha. So funny. I'll get you all. Oh, finally, he's gone. I agree. Okay, that guy is annoying. Alright, you can have some fun, you guys. Have fun. Let's go play. What we did today. I know, it was so fun. But guy, those meanings trying to be bully. Yeah, I agree. Well, let's play. What do you want to play? Let's play hide and seek. Right, you guys had. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. Let's go hide. You do want to count? I'll count and you guys hide, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You count to 8, 10. 7, 8. 9. Good, you're ready or not? Here we go. Where could I find Jake's family? There he is. Oh, I got phone. It's okay. Let's find the others. Okay. I found you, guy111. Oh, that's okay. Let's find him. Let's find Cat Christmas. Damn, am I? I know, let's find him. I found him. Nice job, man. No, that sounds fantastic. I found him. Good job. That was fun. Oh, what a good game. Let's do it again. Okay. Oh, anyways. Okay, guys. Playtime is over. Okay, let's go back to class. Oh, come on. Okay. Come on. Welcome back, class. So, how is playtime? Really good. Okay, what did you do at playtime? We played hide and seek. Oh, good. What did you do? Well, we played hide and seek with guy111, Pets and Plaz, Tom and him, and Cat Christmas. Whoa, was that fun? Yeah. Alright, anyways, we are going to do some math. Oh, good, great. Alright, can you tell me what's 1 and 3? Yes, it's 2. Right. Let's see what's 1 and 3. Okay? Well, see you guys there, okay? So, 1 and 3 is 4. Well done, Jake. Looks good. Alright. Well done. High five. High five. High five. High five. High five. Yeah. Well done, everyone. That was good. Whoa! How is he back? Bro, what? Why are you back? Because I don't like you. Oh, that's not very nice. They don't like us. It's okay, guy111. We'll get rid of him. You are going. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna be angry mode. If it's him. Okay, no. Woo! Don't worry. I'll get them out. Wait, do now. Alright, you're gonna get kicked out because you upset my friend. Don't upset guy111. Alright, we'll kick you out of here. Go away, friend. Woo! There we go, we got him. Thank you. That's what he deserved. Yeah, I agree. Me too. Haha, he's gone. Well done. Right, you got him out. You guys are really good. Anyways, let's continue what we're doing today. Okay. What is this? This is a strawberry. Well done. Oh, put your answer. What is this? Yes? It's orange. Well done. You did real well. Next one. Alright, can you tell me what it is? Yes? Thumbs up. Oh, someone's coming. Who do you know who it is? I think it's someone. Don't tell me it's Ivy. Oh! You said the picture! Oh, yeah. I'll put 17 J's. Okay. What? What did you put to me? Oh, it's a butter. Oh, man. How dare you be mean to my friend like that? I don't care. Alright, kick your arm over here. Ow! There you go. Thank you. Wait, where's the teacher? Oh, I'm back. Oh, glad you're back. Oh, you guys did a really good job. Anyways, it is time for home time. Come on. Yes, finally. Oh, yeah, it's Friday now, so you're at school on Friday. You're at school, you got 2 weeks off. Have fun, guys. Yay! Oh, finally, we're at school. That was so... Yeah, I agree. We got 2 weeks off. What do you want to do? I don't know. Let's all play Tig. Tig, you're it. Oh, let's get him. Come back here. Ah. Oh, we had so much fun today. Yeah, that was really good, guys. That's school. At least we don't have no school about that ruining news, innit?